Very good morning, my dear students. I welcome all to the today's class of supply chain management. As you are all aware that we completed almost 3 modules, and now we shall move on to module 4, which is about inventory cost. I am Professor Vijay Abhi, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Let us understand first of all what is inventory cost. Anything that is whether raw material or finished goods or even in transit, you need to pay that cost something. Therefore, it is termed as inventory cost. Whether it is the cost that is paid towards the order for holding the inventory, or even that is the amount which is sent on the paperwork. Everything cost, whether it is in raw material stage or it is in the finished good stage or even it is in transit stage. Therefore, we need to understand here how many types of costs are there pertaining to inventory. Ordering cost, holding cost, carrying cost, shipping cost, logistic cost, and let us examine each type of cost in detail one by one. What is ordering cost? Any manufacturing company to manufacture something, they need raw material or even components to for assembly. So you want to order those raw materials. You need to hire staff, you need to establish an office, you need to have an internet connection, then you need to make purchase order, then order it. So whatever the amount incurred towards this ordering, that cost is known as ordering cost. And even sometimes labors are also used to shift the goods from truck or one place to another place. Even we pay some amount to them. That is also a cost, labor cost. So ordering cost involves transportation cost, shifting from one place to another place, cost of finding suppliers. You need to know who are the suppliers and you need to receive those goods, and that is receiving cost, clerical cost of preparation of purchase orders. That means you are paying salary to those office staff, cost of electronic data interchange, internet connection is required, computers are required. So all this comes under ordering cost. Then come to the inventory holding cost. Of course, this is simply the rent that company pays for holding the inventory, like storage space, warehouse, okay, and even financing. Sometimes you might have borrowed it, and then you need to pay for that. And what is shortage cost is? Shortage is nothing but out of cost, whether insufficient. It occurs when the business comes out of the stock for various reasons. Under what situation the business faces this shortage cost? Emergency shipment cost, disrupted production cost, or customer loyalty or reputation. And the fourth one is spoilage cost. Anything that is perishable and gets spoiled over a period of time is known as spoilage cost, because it is going to be a waste. You take the example of food items, after some amount of days, it's perishable. And in case of medical industry, certain medicines are expiring after a few months or years, so those comes under spoilage cost. And finally, it is inventory carrying cost. This is lesser known as aspect, very least important, but it requires certain amount of calculation to be understood from the profit and loss statement. And it is the inventory carrying. That means that is carrying considered as inventory carrying cost. So these are the various types of inventory cost. Thank you.